Hi YouTube, welcome to my new channel. What? Oh, the battery. Got 2 new fish this week. A red parrot fish, looks orange but it has got red in it. And I got a new saun, a golden saun. Bought it the other day off a lady. And there's mine. So he's pretty big. Him lost a female to her. We've got some sand and that going in here. I took it all out, so I'll buy some new sand, but not do it all in sand, only so far, then have it so then you can clean all that lot out. Yeah, we're just doing a water change on it, just draining her off. Got some other sauns. Well, yeah, the parrotfish, M&S Aquatics, Salford behind Queen's Park Motors. That's where I got that from. When I went down, bought them Bristol nose placos. Turn camera. Went down, bought them Bristol nose placos, but it was late. It was like about 10 o'clock. Forgot the phone, so I didn't record it. But I will do it. And I didn't put a video on last Sunday, because I was pretty busy. And I think I've done a water change on the Thursday instead of a Sunday. Anyway, more about the fish. There he is. Look, you can see the red in him. So I'm thinking of getting a female. He's pretty big as well. I mean, that's a 2-foot plane. That, you know, at least almost the size of that gap there, and that gap's pretty big, you know. And get these breeding again. It's usually breed up on the little cave in there. But we've got sort of the tank out, so it's like, hello. Almost back to where it was, so they got the spawning places. Just have to divide all this up because it was so big in this tank here. Pulled it apart, it's like this, so hopefully, because it's got no light to it. Come here. Come here. Yeah, so the new saun. Yeah, I get mixed up in the severum and the saun. So he's nice. We'll see how it goes on with this one here, because he's a bit dominant. So I'm just like putting just a little video on so it goes in my videos. And if you'd like to see any other fish, you know, let me know when we go to the pet shop and see if they've got them. Obviously, let me know whereabouts you are, if you're in Manchester, England, America, Ireland, the Ukraine, or wherever, you know. Let me know whereabouts you are. Obviously not pinpoint it, but you know what town you come from. If you are into fish, you know, Michael's Fish Room on YouTube, the co-op, Corey's co-op. But if you like these videos, give it a like. And if you don't, then I know you don't like it and I've got to do something about it. So, you know, even that, let me know how I can improve me That's all he does, he just chase him about. So, yo, it's my chunk now with this, shoot, I'm the big boy in here. Yeah, let me know how we could make it better, you know. Just proper nice, that. Proper nice. So, right. I'm gonna call it like that. Alright, cheers. Forget, ring a ding that bell button. Subscribe, like. Okay. See you in the next vid.